Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to insert table of contents. To insert table of contents, you can use the search buttons. You can click at this search and then you can type table of contents, click, and then I will use this option. So to be create no table of contents in here. To set the contents, you need to change the titles into heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3. As example, I will set this overview into heading 1, the key feature, heading 1, document creation, heading 2. And then you can click table of contents, click update table, it will be update the table. I will change again this option into heading 2 and this option into heading 1. You can click the table of contents, click update table, and I will use update entire tables, click OK. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial, how to insert table of contents. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.